Brought to you by the folks at Regal product. We're doing a little sweet dessert that you can have. I want about a cup of icing sugar that I'm going to get in there. Adding this cup to Jase's wonderful melted chocolate chips. Ooh. Why are they bringing that together, Jase? I have some Regal almonds. I toasted it, guys.
This is not white rum, this is dark rum.
This is your favorite wafer biscuit. Treat in your food processor and also give it a nice little blitz. So I'm adding the wafer to the nuts, adding the dry
to the wet.
Into the wet. What this does now is go into the refrigerator for about 20 minutes to set. When it comes out of the refrigerator,
no. You dip in and you hold and
you roll.
You roll.
One last Regal touch. The Regal touch.
What did I put on it?
This is the same.
Oh, the icing
Regal
sugar.
Icing sugar.
Right.
And all I want to do is just kind of
coat him.
Coat him. This is so good.
Good? Oh, yeah, boy.